Have you ever visited a website and been asked to confirm that you are not a robot or identify traffic lights, bicycles, or crosswalks in pictures? That system is called a CAPTCHA, and it exists to protect websites from bots and automated attacks. CAPTCHA stands for Completely Automated Public Turing Test to tell computers and humans apart. In simple words, it is a test designed to check whether the user is a real person or a computer program. Websites use CAPTCHAs because millions of bots constantly try to abuse online services by creating fake accounts, sending spam messages, stealing passwords, buying tickets in bulk, or even crashing servers with automated traffic. Without CAPTCHA protection, many websites would become full of spam and fake activity. CAPTCHA works by giving tasks that are easy for humans but difficult for machines, such as recognizing objects and images, typing distorted text, or solving simple puzzles. Modern CAPTCHAs have become even smarter because they can analyze human behavior like mouse movement, typing speed, and browsing patterns to decide whether someone is human. Sometimes you may not even notice a CAPTCHA because the system quietly verifies you in the background. Although CAPTCHAs can sometimes feel annoying, they play an important role in keeping websites secure, protecting user accounts, reducing online fraud, and making the internet safer for everyone.